Hey guys, it's Joy, your travel expert, and we are here at Disney's Grand Floridian, and we are staying in a club level theme park view room. Come on in. First, you have the bathroom, got your double vanities, and then a separate room for the toilet and the shower. Then you have like a desk area over here, the mirror, you can get ready there, like a little vanity. Then over here, you're gonna have your little coffee area, beverage station, your beverage fridge below. And this is two queens with the sleeper sofa that turns into like a twin size sleeper sofa. Over here you have the closets. We are staying club level, so you do get the robes and the slippers. You have the safe over here. Oh, and the steamer. If you guys have not used a steamer from Disney for your clothes, it's incredible. And then by far, one of the best parts of a theme park view room is the theme park view. So let's walk out here. You get two little chairs to sit in, and then there she is.